Okay.
We are back with another video. It's an unboxing video of a balloon mobile air powered racer.
Yeah, it teaches
It's
science.
to do with Newton's third law in action.
We have to do it.
This is law of motion.
Newton's third law in motion.
And then you have to do
It says open the car cover, put on the balloon, attach the balloon on the carport as image to install the car.
Yeah.
I believe Newton's law.
The balloon through
Do you think it has a balloon on it? Do you think it has a balloon?
Ensure the balloon is properly attached to the port. Press down on the pump to fill the balloon with air and press the launch button on the car.
Take batteries.
To launch the car. It's air powered. There's no batteries in this thing.
It's Newton's law.
No, but
I believe it's
Let's see if this actually works.
air goes that way, the car goes the other way.
Let's see if this actually works.
Mom, do you have to cut it? Okay, that's stupid. Okay, that's stupid.
Okay.
Show everybody how we
Mom,
tried to open it.
Wow, we have a bag of balloons.
Oh, that's too many, I tell
And
you.
there's some pieces here, so this thing gotta be put
Oh,
together.
Mom, look, there's
Two cars.
Why does it need two cars?
The pieces for the cars, for the balloons.
And I think I see the biggest part ever.
And this part. Show everybody what it is. That's to launch the car. Ooh.
Mom, we have to put this thing in.
Yeah, wait now, we gotta figure it out. That's your pump. Yeah. Oh, is that right? Yeah. Okay, I fill the air.
Now it's,
Okay, let's see how those cars work.
yeah, we need a balloon. Let's put a balloon in place. I want to go further
Okay,
yellow.
so what?
That piece is for that.
Did that go on the car or something?
Yeah, yeah, but I have to go.
No, that's in his mouth, yeah.
Yes.
Goes on here to pump him up.
Yeah, that one. No, it's the wrong way. Pencil. Is this
The wrong way, is it? You show me then.
Are you smarter than a 4-year-old?
Are you smarter than a 4-year-old?
Okay. There we go.
Wait now, wait
It would
now.
point down that way. No,
Oh, no.
We gotta open the car.
Open the car.
You
Yeah.
got-
Open the car.
Oh, gee, that's so hard.
Oh, that's the same as inside the car, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's just extra ones, I think, for inside there. And you gotta put the balloon on.
Put the balloon. Make sure you need.
We're trying to figure this out ourselves. So we gotta put the balloon on here.
Maybe you have to do that, Mom.
This is something
This piece may
we have to
crumple.
learn this ourselves, and then the balloon comes up through here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then we gotta connect
This thing to it.
this to here. Connect your car. Oh, and pump him up.
Oh.
Keep pumping, keep pumping, keep pumping. Don't break him.
Oh.
Oh, let it go. Wait now. Wait now.
No,
Wait now, wait now.
not too much.
It's there.
No, it's not working.
Oh, because you gotta keep pumping. Okay, okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, push the launch. Ah, that's enough,
What?
that's enough. We don't want to break our balloon.
Whoa!
Again.
Let's try this one.
That was so annoying.
It's so
See
annoying.
what Newton's law is? We're going to have to look it up.
Newton's law, yeah. We gotta see what Newton's third law is.
Yeah, let's see. Oh. What's the next step?
It's pretty cool.
Skip.
Pretty cool toy, isn't it? Here, let's try this one. Let's try the red car.
On the lot. Let's try
Push the button, launch. Get ready, launch.
Whoa!
Ooh, that's so cool.
Mom, let's do it on the floor this time. Now let's do it on the floor this time.
No, you can pump it up here. That's fine.
And I want to do it
It's not the
all
video,
down
that's
there.
Gotta get the video set up here, so. Yeah. only do it there in front of the video. Oh, wait, no. This one won't sound very well. Wait, no. He's not connecting properly.
Here, Mommy, read what Newton's third law is.
Not too big. Don't break it.
Whoa.
Push go.
Whoa. Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have to keep playing with this toy all the time.
Read it, Mom.
So Newton's third law is, it states that for every action, force, in nature, there is an equal opposite reaction. In other words, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts an equal and opposite force on object A.
And that's what's happening. The air
So the air going
pushing
in.
one way,
It's
making the car go equal force the other way.
Yeah.
And we're
Okay,
not.
now. Gotta make sure it's on. There we go. Think that's big enough?
Yeah.
Whee!
Whoa.
Did you break?
That is a super cool toy.
Now let's try it on the floor.
Okay, now you want to try it on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, pump them up.
Mom, I need you to hold it.
You need me to hold it for pump it up.
Well,
Come on.
Whoa.
it's not
We
bad.
got one more here.
Mom, that was a cool hit, though.
That was a cool hit, wasn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Here you go, we got another one here.
One more thing.
The red car. Let's see how this one goes. The bigger you pump the balloon, the further and faster to go, I think. Just don't bust the balloon. Oh, keep going. Keep going. And then launch. Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
What happened? Oh, I don't think he was on all the way. Let's try this again.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, let's try it again and see. He wasn't on properly. He wasn't closed up. Nope, you don't have none. Okay.
Use this.
Pump all the way down. Whoa!
Oh, it's the racetrack.
Elementary racetrack.
Nice to me.
This one's on doing a turn for some reason. What's going
Okay.
on with them?
Fine, let's do this. Yeah, one
Let's try the blue one.
This one?
Yep, try that one again.
Until the balloon is
We
burst.
have a few extra balloons to go with it, so
Yeah. Probably this is one.
it's a cool
Sure.
toy. You can purchase it at Showcase,
Oh, yeah.
That I've seen on TV stuff.
as seen on TV stores where we bought ours.
Mama,
Teaches
that
kids
one
science.
doesn't work.
You know.
And Mommy tried. Whoa!
Oh.
That was pretty cool. He went really fast. Oh, wait now.
Okay, 2 more times.
One more for each car. Go bigger.
Roll the air up.
Whoa, okay. We don't want to pop him. Go! Oh, he banged into Stegosaurus. Yeah, he banged into Stegosaurus.
Okay, you gonna do one more time?
Last one. Oh, wait now. Last one, everybody.
And then we were gonna hide it all, and I'm not to play all the time.
Okay, get ready. It's good. Go!
Whoa, he's too fast for me.
This is a super cool toy.
Yeah, we just look on the side.
Tell everybody if they want to see more of your videos.
But subscribe if you want to see more. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.